Tired of rising energy bills? Take control of your power with HP Energy, your one-stop shop for all your renewable energy needs. We provide expert installation of high-efficiency solar PV systems, cutting-edge battery storage solutions, environmentally friendly heat pump hot water, energy-saving air conditioners, and convenient EV chargers. Our experienced team will guide you through every step of the process, from design and installation to ongoing support. We use only the highest quality products and the latest technology to ensure maximum performance and reliability. Reduce your energy bills, increase your home's value, and contribute to a cleaner planet with HP Energy. No matter the size or style of your home, HP Energy has a solution to fit your needs. We offer customized systems to maximize your energy savings and environmental impact. Our commitment to customer satisfaction is second to none. We pride ourselves on providing exceptional service and support throughout your renewable energy journey. Join the renewable energy revolution with HP Energy. Contact us today for a free consultation and let us help you power your home with the sun.